This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Nissan Pathfinder. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and safety glasses. Crucially, disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Then, safely lift and support your vehicle using a jack and 2 sturdy jack stands, ensuring it is stable on a level surface. Now, let's locate the old starter. On a Nissan Pathfinder, it's typically found on the passenger side of the engine, often near the transmission bell housing. Once you've identified it, carefully disconnect the main power wire and the smaller solenoid signal wire. These are usually secured with nuts. Finally, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine block or transmission. With the old starter out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter motor into its designated mounting spot, ensuring it aligns correctly. Hand tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts first, then fully tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, securely reconnect the main power wire and the smaller solenoid signal wire to the starter solenoid, making sure all connections are snug. You're almost done. The final steps involve reconnecting the negative battery cable firmly to the battery terminal. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are secure. Then, carefully lower the vehicle safely from the jack stands to the ground. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Start the engine. Listen for a strong, consistent crank, confirming your new starter is working properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.